Are you ready for a wild adventure with amazing animals? Get ready to learn and have some fun. Lion. Majestic and powerful big cat known as the king of the jungle. Elephant. Enormous land mammal with a distinctive trunk and large tusks. Giraffe. Tall and graceful creature with a long neck and unique spotted pattern. Tiger. Striped feline known for its strength, agility, and striking appearance. Panda. Adorable bear native to China, known for its black and white fur. Kangaroo. Australian marsupial with powerful hind legs for hopping. Zebra. Equine species with black and white stripes that roam the grasslands of Africa. Gorilla. Intelligent and powerful primate found in the forests of Africa. Cheetah. Fastest land animal, renowned for its incredible speed and sleek build. Hippopotamus. Large, semi-aquatic mammal with a barrel-shaped body and massive jaws. Koala. Cute and cuddly marsupial known for its love of eucalyptus leaves. Penguin. Flightless bird that lives in cold climates and has a distinct waddling gait. Polar bear. Arctic bear with a thick white fur coat, perfectly adapted to survive in icy environments. Crocodile. Reptile with a long, powerful snout and a reputation for being a fearsome predator. Dolphin. Highly intelligent marine mammal known for its playful nature and acrobatic displays. Wolf. Social and intelligent carnivore known for its howling and pack behavior. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Now, go and play. Have a wonderful day.